How to fix verification failed on Binance app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to resolve the issue if your Binance verification has failed. Be sure to watch the video until the end to get all the steps. So if you are attempting intermediate verification, typically after identifying verification and it fails, don't worry. We will simply retry the process while ensuring all necessary steps are followed. So let me walk you through it. So first, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the Binance app. And if your verification has failed, you will see a failed status as shown here. Simply tap on failed notification to view more details. There could be several reasons for failure. Most commonly, it happens due to the incomplete or incorrect information. To complete the verification, you will need three main things, that is personal information, government issue ID, and face recognition. If any of these requirements are incomplete or incorrect, your verification won't go through. Additionally, you can review your current account limits such as deposit, withdrawal limits, P2P transaction limits, and crypto limits, which are displayed during the verification process. To proceed, tap on Try Again and you will be prompted to re-enter the required details and complete the face recognition step, uploading your ID and other documents, and keep the following in mind. You should use an original document, not a photocopy or scanned version. You should ensure the document is not expired. You should remove any covers or holders that could cause glare or reflection. And at last, you should place the document against a plain solid color background. And once you have done this and click continue, the system should process your application and your Binance identity should be verified successfully. And that's it. With this, you will be able to fix Binance verification on your Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.